Buenos dias. Today we're talking about el cine, the best ways to see el cine from where you are en español. And let's start with un poco de vocabulario. A film is una película. Don't be tempted to say it's peculiar because it isn't. It's not a Q sound. It's una película with an U, not a U. Una película. And you go to see them en el cine, the cinema. Of course, claro, podemos usar Netflix también. Hang on, because we have más vocabulario. I like la primera fila. What do you think fila means? Fila means a row. Okay, we're going to have a test on these en un momento, just un momento. So I like la primera fila, not la fila de atrás, claro, the back row. No. La primera fila. And there I have un asiento. So that's my seat. It's not una silla, that's what I'm sitting on now. Un asiento is en el cine, en el teatro. Un asiento, and it's where you put your asiento. Asiento, I won't say it. Okay, so we already have una fila, un asiento, el cine, una película. We also have cuando empieza. Empieza? What do you think it means? ¿A qué hora empieza? Claro, that means when does it start? Okay, y finalmente you have entradas. Entradas are your tickets. Don't confuse them with billetes. Now, if you ask for una entrada para la sesión de las 10, es posible that the lady will say, no hay. No hay, no me quedan. No me quedan means I don't have any left. No me quedan, no hay. Okay, so una entrada para la sesión de las 11 entonces. Far too late for me to go to el cine. Before we get on to the great ways that you can see películas en español en tu casa, first we need a quick vocab test. So, how do you say film? Cinema, entrance ticket, seat, row, and it starts. Did you get it? Película, el cine, entrada, asiento, la fila y empieza. Well done you. Right. Now, you can look on Amazon Prime and you can sort for películas en español just by choosing Spanish as your language. I find that un poco difícil de navegar. Entonces, I prefer Netflix. Prefiero Netflix y uso a little extension to my Chrome which is called Language Reactor. And you put in your source language as Spanish and your country, bueno, mi país es the United Kingdom, el Reino Unido. And I put it in and it gives me muchísimas películas. Y puedo escoger, I can choose, puedo escoger el género. Entonces yo escojo la comedia. And straight away I find a film that's called TOC TOC, Trastorno Obsesivo Compulsivo. That's what TOC stands for, but TOC TOC, it's a tick, it's a TOC. I'm going to tell you the best way to watch una película en español. Before I watch it on Netflix, I'm going to have a read about it on Wikipedia. So I go to Wikipedia, I type TOC TOC, and I choose español, so that I can read about it en español, and I get un poco de información en la consulta de un psiquiatra. Están citadas, they have appointments. Una cita is an appointment. Varias personas con distintos trastornos obsesivo-compulsivos. So we've got síndrome de Tourette, and because I'm on Wikipedia, I can read about it en español. Es interesante. Obsesión con las bacterias, etc. Me parece muy interesante. It seems to me very interesting. I hope it's going to be funny. I went to a talk with a guy who has Tourette's, and he said it is important to laugh and to enjoy the tics. So I don't feel bad about that. Now it's time to give you 3 last little pieces of vocabulario. First of all, we have mando a distancia, the remote control, muy importante, y es mío, or mine. We have palomitas, which are popcorn, palomitas y una taza de té, por favor. Y finalmente, we have please be quiet, it's starting, which goes like this. Cállense, ya, empieza. Now, if you like that video and you like accessing la cultura en español, you might also like listening to the radio en español on your phone. So if you have a look at this, which comes from day 29 of my 100 Days of Spanish series, I'll show you exactly how to listen to some great radio española. If you would like to know more about las películas, my next video is going to give you some ways of talking about the types of películas que hay and what you think of them. Tus opiniones, porque tus opiniones son importantes, you wonderful people. If you want to know what I thought about TOC TOC, my opinion is in the comments, so I'm going to watch it now. Cállense, empieza ya.